Good evening, students. Welcome to our YouTube channel. This is a learning platform for all the students to update their knowledge. So, I am going to create one more playlist in our YouTube channel under the heading called probability. And this probability concept is very important for students who are studying engineering under computer science background because it plays a vital role in that field and also in statistics. Statistics chapter, whatever it is there, I am going to link up in other playlist. For that, the basis is probability. So without further delay, let us land into subject. So this is a probability branch of the mathematics. Here we come across some terminology that we have to very careful while using it. So first one, this word random experiment. Random experiment. So what is the meaning of this random experiment? How you are going to define it? It's very simple. First, you should know the meaning of experiment. I will give some live examples, and the same examples you are going to study in this probability also. First one, flipping a coin or tossing a coin. Your coin I'm using here. That coin should be perfectly manufactured. In sense, it should be a fair coin, or we can say that it is an unbiased coin. Unbiased means, for example, if you take a 1 rupee coin, so when you toss that coin, the coin should land up in such a way that there is an equal chance of landing on head and also on tail. If it is a fair coin or unbiased coin, if it is a biased coin, what will happen? Always it will show up head or tail. It is generally used in gambling to cheat people. So if you take a coin experiment, cheating should not be there. When there is no cheating involved in that, that coin, whatever you have taken, it is said to be a fair coin or unbiased coin. So flipping of a coin or tossing a coin, by default, it should be a fair coin or unbiased coin. Number two, rolling a die, D-I-E die. It contains the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numerically, or dots 1 dot, 2 dots, 3 dots, 4 dots, 5 dots, 6 dots. There also we have to use the word fair die or unbiased die. Means when you roll the die, any one of the numbers can appear, but there should be equal chance of landing on each number. The surface or the face of the cube must be perfectly manufactured. Just like the coin is manufactured perfectly in the first experiment, here die also should have that property. Number three, playing cards, or we can say that deck of cards, DECK deck contains 52 cards. Here also the cards are so designed so that if you touch any card out of 52 cards, any one card can able to get the result, show the outcome without any confusion. So cards are so prepared with the same dimension, same thickness. One card with more thickness, one card very less thickness. If that is the thing, then the deck of cards does not cannot be considered under experiments. So picking up of colorful balls or marbles in a bag containing different balls, where each ball is of same perfection and manufactured perfectly without any defects. So whether you take a coin or a die or deck of cards or picking up of marbles or balls, the item should be in perfect condition. Here random means we cannot guess the output or outcome or result. When you flip the coin, you can't say which one is going to land up there. You may get head, you may get tail. That you cannot guess. When you are not able to guess the outcome or the result, So such type of experiments are called random experiments. In rolling a die, you can't guess which number is going to show up on the surface. It may be 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. So simply we can say, I write one definition here, random experiment. The experiments, the experiments, here experiments I can name. First one I give an example of tossing a coin, here bracket, unbiased or fair. Number two, rolling a die, generally a cubical die, which is unbiased or fair. Number three, picking up a card from a deck of cards, deck of 52 cards. The experiments, I wrote three like this, where the result is also called outcome here. Outcome cannot be predicted. Predicted means guessed. We cannot guess. Such type of experiments are called random experiments or random experiment. Let us see some more details or some more terminology in continuation of this topic. So just recap. So random experiment is the experiment conducted under essential identical conditions. What is the meaning? Under essentially identical conditions means the area where you are conducting experiment, the temperature of the environment should be maintained same wherever you conduct. There should not be any variation. Under those conditions, if you conduct the experiment, what are the experiment examples I gave you in the previous case, the result cannot be predicted. If you are not able to guess the result, such type of experiments are called random experiments. And here I gave you for information random experiments. First one, tossing a fair coin, perfect coin or coins. So generally, if you take single coin, the outcomes are head or tail. Generally, we denote head by capital H, tail by capital T. Second one, rolling a fair die or dice, die singular, dice plural. If you take one die in our experiment, the possible outcomes are numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we are denoting with numbers. There we are denoting with the uppercase letters head and tail, H and T. Third experiment I gave you, picking up a card from deck of cards. These three random experiments are familiar in probability, and one more fourth one also I am going to demonstrate. Third one, picking up a card from the deck of 52 cards. Generally, when you say deck of cards, the playing cards used in gambling also. So it will have two colors, two set of cards will be there, red, black. Because 52 are there, 50% of the cards will be 26 of red, 26 of black. And in red color, we have these symbols, two symbols. I will show in color format only. Under red, we have two symbols. One is diamond The other one is hearts. You are familiar with this? These two symbols will be in red in color. Diamonds and hearts. And in black set of cards, there are two set of symbols. This symbol and this symbol. This symbol. So we generally read them as these are diamonds. Half of 26 is 13. 13 in number. These are hearts. 13 in number. Total 26. These are called spades. 13 in number. These are called clubs. 13 in number. So 13 diamonds, 13 hearts, 13 spades, 13 clubs. Put together 52. We will have face cards in that. Face cards. Also, face cards. Face cards are nothing but in each set we will have these type of face cards, namely king denoted by K, queen denoted by capital Q, jack by capital J. So these are called face cards. We will have one king of diamonds, one king card of heart, one king card of spade, one king card of club. Total we have four kings. Similarly, queens also we have four. Jacks also four. One of each color. One of diamond, one of heart, one of spade, one of club. And one last one, a special card called ace card. Ace card. Ace card denoted by capital A. They also four. They also four. These are included in this. These are included in this. This is about the playing cards or deck of 52 cards. You should have the idea how many cards are there. These are called suits. Suits. We will call this. These are called suits. Four, four suits: diamonds, hearts, spades, clubs. Now I'm going to give you fourth one. With that, we are going to conclude this video. And one more terminology will be discussed in coming videos. These are very, very sensitive to understand because in problems also these four experiments they are going to appear frequently. Fourth one, number fourth, random experiment. Picking up a marble, or you can write ball also, from a bag. We can use other word earn, U-R-N. Picking up a marble or marbles also. One marble or two marble. Ball, or you can write marbles, more than one, or balls. So generally in your problems they are going to give one box or two boxes. So they contain colorful marbles. Let us take here. I write in format here: black, blue, red, green. So a box contains some number of, suppose I take 4, black marbles, 3 blue marbles, 9 red marbles, 6 green marbles. So total 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 9, 16, plus 6, 22. Total number of balls are 22. 4 plus 3, 7, 16, plus 6. Total 22 balls. Or you can name marbles. They are thoroughly mixed. And picking one or two among them. The output you cannot able to guess. If you pick up one ball or one marble from this bag or box, you may get black, you may get blue, you may get red, you may get green. You can't guess. That's why such type of experiments come under random experiments, where you cannot predict the outcome. So this is about the just introduction about random experiments. What are there? How to define a random experiment? 4 examples I have given you. In coming video, we are going to extend furthermore. Do share, subscribe our YouTube channel, and for any sort of queries, you can post your queries under comment section so that I can go through them. The best way I can able to rectify all those things at your level, and like the videos after watching completely. Thank you. God bless you.